That's pretty cool. Inside there's a tunnel through the brush. It's kind of wild looking. And you can look inside of there. There's another tunnel. It goes up, I don't know if you can see it or not. I can, but on the camera. But anyway, there's a tunnel inside it's kind of a round tunnel, and it's got vines all the way around it inside there. That's kind of weird. But anyway, I'm out for a stroll. But I'm headed to the house. And when I was doing my fence project, my wheelbarrow, I had a bunch of concrete blocks in it, and boom, wheel exploded on me. Had too much weight in it, I guess, but the wheel was old and dry rotted. So I bought a new wheel to local hardware store that you don't have to air it up. So let's go change that tire. See if we can put a new one on it. This wheelbarrow was my dad's wheelbarrow, and he's had it ever since I can remember. So that tire, I bet that tire is 40 years old or more. So it's a pretty good tire. But anyway, let's put a new one on. Okay, I went to the local hardware store and bought me this no flat 13 inch. I think it's let's see here, 5/8. It's got 5/8 center wheel, and that's going to replace it. So let's get to it. Alright, that's what's on it. So I gotta take them off. So anyway, let's get started doing that. Tell you what, you know that's old. Well, you can see it's got square nuts on it. Alright, so let's get them off. See that little scumbag? It don't want to come off. That's supposed to just slide off, but it's been there 40 years and it's rusted on. So it's going to have to take a little coercing, okay? Little bit more attention. It will come off. You wait. Okay, are you still with me? I'm still working on it. Give me a few minutes. I'm just about got it. Alright, I got her. She came off, and I don't think I bent the shaft. But let me tell you what, that thing was a pain in the booty. Alright, then the wheel just hopefully slides off. Oh my gosh. Alright, give me a few minutes. Alright, well, now the wheel don't want to come off, so let me work on it for a minute and I'll be back. Oh my gosh, I got her off finally. I only had to take one off one side, okay? And it was a pain in the booty, I'll tell you so. So anyway, let's put it back together. There was one big nut for a washer, for a spacer, excuse me, and one big washer, and so you can see what it got there. And I just have to put them back on the other side. So anyway, let's try that new wheel out and see if it'll fit on there. All right, all I can find around here is these real long bolts, but because the old bolts was just too rusted, so I'm gonna put these on there and then cut them off. So that's what I'm gonna do. Because I live so far away from society, it would take me, a couple hours to go get some. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. Well, the only thing now left to do is give her some grease, and that little grease fitting right here, and that'll be it. And that's the way I spaced her out. Okay, and the other side, that's the way I spaced it out on that side. Worked out pretty good.